Hello everyone. Welcome to TechSpot. Myself Anuj Kumar, a Java trainer, 5+ years of IT experience. Okay, this is a core Java session 5. So today's class agenda is we will cover what is a Java operator, what are the different types of keywords in Java, then memory concept inside Java, that is what is stack, what is heap, what is RAM, how memory is distributed, okay, and Java input, that is a scanner class. Today's things we will cover this all the topics, okay. So first, let's see what is operator in Java. Basically, an operator is nothing but a symbol that perform a certain operation. Okay, that perform a certain operation upon two or more operands. Okay, operands can be variable or value. Okay, now like if you want to add the two things, okay, two variable. Okay, then int variable x equal to 10, int variable y equal to 20, then you want to add the thing. So there you will mathematical or arithmetic operator, that is the mathematical operator, that is a plus operator we will use to add the two operands, that is variable or value. Okay, so operator are used to manipulate the data and perform a computation means adding the thing, multiply the thing, and okay, so if you have certain types of data can be any format, then you can do manipulation, means change that data, add, delete, subtract, divide, use the logic and out. That is this sentence is saying basically. So types of operator in the Java. The first one is arithmetic operator. Everyone wants note what is arithmetic. The operator which we are basically use in mathematics. That is plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Modulus basically give you a reminder. Okay, so the a plus b, if a is a variable and b is another variable, so a plus b, so plus operator, and this a and b are operands. We can say variable or value. Okay, then subtract a minus b, multiplication a into b, a slash b. These are the basic operands. So let me show you some small example related to our basically this is a our Java class with the name A, and this is the main method. So how we will create the main method? The shortcut is operating main method, write main, control plus space bar, enter. Then you will see main method, click enter. Now let it be, it is taking some time. What happened? No problem, it is stuck. Just wait, no, wait for, okay, now it is good. Class of UBLIC public code. Now, one second, I will show you. This is main cursor plus space bar, main method, enter. Okay, in this way, you will see main method has public static void domestic args. Okay, now if you create any variable, that is int x equal to 10 is a one variable, and y equal to 20, this another variable. Now you want to add these two variable x and y, then we will use mathematical operator, that is plus, minus, addition, subtraction. So I want to add a variable. To create one more variable with the name z equal to ax plus y, ax plus y will be stored in the this z variable. Okay. Now I will print this z variable. There is shortcut of print statement also, right? S Y S O U P south, control plus space bar. You can see system.out.print, it is automatically has printed the whole statement. So this is a shortcut in this STS. It okay. Maybe in other ID the shortcuts will be different. Okay. So it is basically working inside the STS only. Okay. Now I will write print the jet, which will store the cursor plus yes for save, and there is also a shortcut cursor plus F9 or F. Now what we will do? Uh, okay, and you can go to run. Console plus. Now I will do here, go here and run your Java 30. Okay. Now you can see 10 plus 20. Similarly, if you want to subtract, you can write minus first subtraction. Okay. And you can run from here also. Okay. That is 10. This uh, this thing you will get the run. This is the run. There is also shortcut also for running any statement. Console set was right. This is a shortcut. Okay. Now, what I will do, where we are here. So we have seen the different types of mathematical operator. Okay. This now second operator is compare relational operator. This is used for comparison. Means you want to compare two values. A is equal to B. A is not equal to B. Okay. Greater than is smaller than. Okay. A is greater than, A is smaller than, A is greater than equal to, B is smaller than equal to. Okay? Basically, if the here two value you want to compare, X is equal to B or not. So you can simply use if A is equal to G or not. Okay. Now, basically, this is we are here. Now, a second thing is logical operator means we in physics we have seen and operator. Okay, if either this condition is true or this condition is true, we use and operator. Okay, and logic not is valid or not, we use this operator. That is called logical operator. Means we are uh, building a logic that this condition is true or this. Okay, that is the and operator basically used for checking the two conditions. If one condition is true, then we will prove it. And in further classes, we will see how to use and operator, where we are using and operator. Okay. Then assignment operator. Operator we have seen many times to assign a some value A equal to 10 plus or equal to, it will add one value then equal to 5. It will subtract some value then equal to 2. Multiply equal to 3. Divide and assign. Okay. These are different types of assignment operator. Okay. Then these are the category arithmetic operator we have seen plus minus relational operator equal to not equal to logical and assignment equal to plus equal to unary operator plus minus minus. Okay. Bitwise that is and then ternary operator that is conditional true value false value. In further classes we will see the unary conditional statement true value check type instance of method. There is instance of is a method which is used to check the values mm, which is stored inside any variable. Okay, this all thing we will cover in the further classes. Now, what is a Java keyword? So, the keyword are reserved word in the Java that has predefined meaning in the language or syntax. Okay, you cannot use the variable name, method name, class name with the predefined keywords in the Java. What basically it means, as in previous classes we have seen, we will this system is a class. Okay, so you can not write here variable name SEYSTEM. Okay, you are getting an error. Okay, similarly you cannot write a variable name new is a keyword. Okay, so this is the predefined keyword, so you cannot use the keyword which are basically present like static is a keyword. Okay, new is a keyword, if else is a keyword. Okay, so those keyword you cannot use to initialize any variable method name or anything. Okay, because they are predefined, they are used. So if you use the basically the program, the backend program basically got confused. Okay, so that's why it will give you an errors. Like if statement is used for conditional, if else it is used for conditional statement, switch statement, case, default, while, do, for, do, break, new statement, any types of keyword you cannot use it. Now coming to a memory. Ev- From the school time, computer have the memory. The memory name is RAM. That is a random access memory. Okay. So here RAM is a physical memory of your computer. It temporarily store the data needed to active process or application means RAM there the data will be stored and the when the system will run it will take the data from the RAM and run the application. All running Java application use the RAM program. The RAM is basically a memory in your computer. The role in Java, like when you run your Java program, the JVM, that is a Java virtual machine, is loaded into a RAM and then it will execute your program. Inside JVM, memory is divided into a different areas like stack or heap. Okay. When you run your Java program, the JVM will load into a RAM and then it will further divide it into the two stack or heap. Okay. Now we will understand what is a heap and what is a stack. Okay. So heap is a portion of RAM is divided into two memory stack or heap. Okay. Now we are talking about heap memory. So heap is a portion of RAM reserved for a dynamic memory allocation. Okay. It will locate the memory dynamically. Okay. It in heap memory object basically object are created or stored. Arrays will be stored. Class instance that is object will be created. Okay. In the heap memory. The key point are it is shared across all the thread. Garbage collector management, that is memory management, is happen in the heap and automatically clear the all unused object. But basically what is a garbage collector? A garbage collector basically what it do, garbage collector help us to manage the memory in the Java effectively and efficiently by regularly removing the unused object from the memory. Okay. And then avoid memory overflow, a memory leak. Okay. In this way the memory is being cleared, like you have created some object or something. Okay. Now you are not using that or it is being untouched from many times. Okay. So that temporary data will be removed with the help of garbage collector, which is an unused object. Okay. Object created in the heap live as long as they are reachable. Okay. Reachable means at the time when they are being utilized, they are there. If you are not utilized, it will be unused object and it will be removed automatically by garbage collector and its space will be taken by other objects which are currently in the execution. Now, what is a stack memory? So, stack memory, the program execution, yeah, method execution, the main execution of your program take place under the stack memory, and objects are created under a heap memory, basically. Okay, to store primitive variables, reference to heap object method, and to call a data, which basically done under the stack memory. Because in a stack memory, program execution will take place. If the program will execute, when the program will execute, what will happen? The method will be created, object, every object will be called. Okay. So this all the thing will happen under the your stack memory. Okay. Now the key point, each thread has its own stack. Every thread will have its own stack. Grows shrink automatically as the method or program is called or written an event. Okay. Basically stack is faster than the heap memory. That's why execution is taking place in the stack memory. Now we will see scanner classes. Okay. Now, what is a scanner class? So, scanner class is a part of Java. Scanner class is basically scanner is a class. It is come under java.util package. Package is nothing but file and folder where different types of file will be kept. Okay. It is used to read the input from various sources such as from keyword, files, and string. Okay. This is a general definition. Now I will show you what is the main use of the scanner classes. Okay. So basically what the definition is saying, basically this int x equal to 10. Here we are writing that x variable have a value 10. That means we are hard coding the value. We are hard coding the value. Okay. Now if you want from the user or you want from some any another customer to write, if you have asked from the user that what is your name, then you want the user to write his name, and you will basically show that the user have write his name as a Anuj, Abhay, and anything. Okay. So I am showing you like there come into picture a scanner class. So basically inside main method, what you will do, you will write SCA scanner. This is a scanner class. Then scanner class object scan equal to new scanner, SCA scanner. Then inside this class, you will write system dot in. Okay, and semicolon. Now you have to import this scanner class. Okay, so for that, move your mouse here. Okay, after moving your mouse slowly to this class, you can see import scanner class from java.util package. Okay, so click. So it has been imported. Yeah, like see imported java.util.scanner class. Okay, so this package has been imported, and this this scanner class you can use. Okay, now system s by s t em system.in. Oh, the system yes will be capital. So in this way, we are basically importing. Let me show you once again. Press Control plus J to undo the things. Okay. Now we have created the scanner class, but the scanner class is under java.util package. So you have to import means the package inside this class. So how we will import? And first way is drag your mouse here. Okay. Then you will see import class. Another way is control plus one, control plus one. You can see import the scanner class, double click. So this is the another way of importing. And here yes will be capital. Okay. So in this way we have imported the scanner class in java.util package. Now what we will do, print SYSOUT shortcut of print statement, that is system.out.print. I want that enter your name. Okay, this thing will be printed in the console. After that, when the customer will see, he will print the his name. Okay, so how he will print? Name will be string, string string, name equal to scan object dot scan object dot next. Okay, this next will what it will do? It will take the string value. Click here. So it will string value will be taken. Now what I will do? Control plus save. Let's see. Go here. Run. It is saying enter your name. It is printing enter your name. And this line basically what it will do. This is a scan object we had created for scanner. It have next method which is basically take the string, and after this we will write here like my name is Anuj. Okay, Anuj. Okay. After I have given the input Anuj. Oh, oh, it is loading something. Okay. Okay. After I have put the enter the value Anuj. Okay. If I will hit enter. So in this way, the Anuj data has been put into this scanner, and now I want to print SYSOUT. I like your name. Yeah, customer CUST customer name, okay, customer name and colon, then plus what is the name of variable? Name. Okay. Now I will cursor plus save and go to run as Java application. Now enter your name. I am writing the name like I am a customer. I have written the my name is Anuj. Enter. You can see this is the output. Customer name is Anuj. Okay. So in this way, we are taking the input from the customer in the okay. So this is the basically and the use of the scanner class with the help of keyboard file string. We are basically taking the input from this. Okay. Now I will show you more. Now, if you want to take integer value, then what? If you want to take integer value int variable, this is the name of the variable. That is identifier. Now, scan is the object of the scanner class. Next, int. So, okay, if you want to take int value, there is next int method. If you want to take byte value, there is next byte method. You want to take sort method. Okay, these are different types of. You want to take a boolean value, so you will select next boolean. It will take true or false. Then you have a next line. Will you bring it take the next line longer value? Okay, these are the different types of pattern or method. Now I want to next int. Okay, so click int. It is present inside the scanner. And hmm, before if I did, I want to write SYSOUT shortcut of print statement. Enter your age. Enter your age. Okay. This statement will be first run. Then this line will come where it will ask for you can write the name, and after he have given the output, then you can write uh, customer age is column. After this backward is base plus what is the age. Okay. In this way, let me run the program. Enter your name. The like customer have written Abhay is the name. Okay. So it is written customer name is Abhay. Now enter the age. So you can write the name is 25. Okay, enter. So the customer age is 25. So in this way, we have developed a small Java program where you are asking for the name. The name is being entered. Now it is output is the customer name is this. You are asking for the age. The age is being input. You get the output. The age is this. So in this way, the small Java programs are being developed. Okay, you are taking in the output input, and you are showing in this way. Okay, so this is a small example. You can go and practice. Okay, so in this session we have seen the what are the Java operator, what are the keyword, new keyword, final keyword, what are the RAM inside the, and how it is being distributed, how is the RAM being distributed inside a Java, what is the Java input scanner class. Okay. Now see you in the next session. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.